In this video, you will learn how to request a change to license, premises, or licensee information by creating an amendment application, following the wizard to enter updated information, answer questions, and upload documents, and finally submitting your amendment application. Click the Getting Started link at the top of the menu to initiate a new activity. Now click Select under Licensing. On the Licensing homepage, select the Licenses tab in the Dashboard section. From the Licenses tab, select the license number link to view more details about the license whose information you wish to change. The license page will open and display license details and a number of license activities. If you need to add or remove a secondary license or endorsement, select the Add Remove button. For all other changes, select the Amend button to initiate an amendment application. The application wizard will now start. The wizard begins in a new status. To start the application, click the down arrow next to the Amendment Type box. This will open a drop-down list where you may select the type of amendment you wish to apply for. Note that the contents of the drop-down will vary, depending upon whether you selected the Add Remove button or the Amend button on the previous page. Go ahead and select an amendment type, and then you may fill in a general description of the items you wish to change. When you're ready, click the Next button to continue. You will now be presented with a screen where you can make changes to your information. This screen will vary depending on which amendment type was selected. In this example, we selected a general amendment which allows you to modify details about the licensee. Notice how the current information is displayed under a current heading, and then there is an area where you can enter changes. Another example is the amendment to change corporate structure. On the editing page, you'll see a table listing the existing corporate structure, and then a table where you may make changes. The new table is pre-populated with the current values. Select the pencil icon to edit a field directly, or click the edit icon at the end of a row to open the party pop-up. This allows you to edit all the details together. Click OK on the pop-up when finished making changes. To make an addition to the corporate structure, click on the plus icon and a blank party pop-up will open. To remove a member, select the checkbox next to their row, or click the checkbox at the top of the table to select all rows. When a member is selected, click the trash can icon to remove them from the table. Now we'll return to the general amendment example. Click Next to proceed forward, or you may also now select Previous to go back. The Steps bar at the top of the screen allows you to move to other steps. You can also save or cancel your application at this time. On the next screen, you'll see the Questions page. All questions must be completed in order to submit the application. You may clear all your answers by clicking the Clear Answers button, shown here. When all questions have been answered, click the Next button. Now the Documents page opens. This page will specify which documents may be uploaded as part of the amendment application. If a document is required, a check mark will appear next to the document type in the table. If no check mark is present, such as in this example, the document is optional. In some cases, forms are provided under the Sample Forms column, indicated by a download icon which you may click to download the form to your computer. Upload documents by clicking the plus icon, or by dragging and dropping files from your operating system into this area here. If you add a document, you will need to select the document type from the drop-down list. When all documents have been uploaded, click Next. The final step of the amendment application allows a review, and then submittal. The system will provide the license number and related details. Then the amendment fees, if any, will be displayed. You must complete the declaration statement by clicking the checkbox, and then click the Submit button, as in this example, to submit your application. In some cases, if payment is due, the button will read Pay and Submit. If there is a payment to be made, you will be taken to the Nebraska payment system where you can enter your payment details.